Here we have our GMC PS-4816D. It's a 48-inch, 16-gauge maximum power slitter. To turn it on, you're going to come over here to the side of the machine. You have multiple options. You have jog mode, you have continuous mode, and you have forward and reverse. You have off, and then you have your emergency stop. If you're sending your material through and it's not slitting like it shows in the video, there's two things you want to adjust. The first thing you want to do is check your slitting gap. Again, you should take the slitting blade, slide it against the other one, and make sure that it's not jammed tight. You have a smooth spinning motion. Lock that in place. And then you also want to make sure that the vertical gap is nice and tight as well. There isn't a thousandths measurement. If you want to be very specific, we can go off of the manual, and it's 1 thousandths for 30 gauge, 1 to 2 thousandths for 26 to 24, 3 to 4 thousandths for 22 to 20, and 4 to 7 thousandths for 18 to 16. And that's going to be the gap, the vertical gap between here. What I like to do is send my material through, and I like to manually bring the machine down until it just starts to cut, and then go a 32nd of a turn more. To adjust your slitting gap, you're going to loosen the Allen set screw. Go ahead and slide the slitting blades to the position that you desire. This is going to be the line for your cut. To make sure they're aligned correctly, you want to slide it until it touches the other one. And you want to be able to spin it slightly. Go ahead and tighten it back down. Once you tighten it back down, you want to jog it to make sure the blades aren't crashing against each other. Then you can go ahead and set it into automatic mode, continuous, turn it on, and test cut a piece of metal. If you would only like to do 2 or 3 cuts and not the 4th one, what you would do is come to the machine, put it in jog mode, and jog it until where you can get to the set screw. We're going to loosen up the set screw. We're going to offset it. That way it doesn't cut here. We'll go ahead and put the machine into continuous mode again.